In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a payment method to Coinbase on your PC. Now you can also do this on your phone as well on the Coinbase app. However, this video is going to be showing you how to do it on desktop. And to start with, you want to head over to the Coinbase website and simply log into your account. Now for this video, I'll be doing it on the simple version of Coinbase, but you might have yours set to the advanced, and you can check that by coming down here in the bottom left corner. And if it is set to advanced, you just want to toggle it off so that you can copy the exact steps that I do. So what you want to do from here is go over to My Assets, and from here we'll be able to see all the crypto we own as well as the currencies. And here we can see the British pound and the euro. Now I'm actually from England, so I use the Great British Pound, so I'm actually going to click on this one here, and from here we'll be able to see all the transactions we've made as well as the options to cash out and add cash. But since we're trying to add a payment method, I'm going to go ahead and choose add cash. From here we have two options. There's the easy bank transfer or UK bank account. So the top option will allow you to link your bank account securely by authenticating in your bank app to deposit, buy crypto and withdraw. And the second option allows you to add a bank that can make and accept faster payments. Now I'm just going to choose this top option, and as you can see we can now use the easy bank transfer option, and we can first choose how much we want to transfer, and down here we can actually add our bank. So I'll have this blurred out, but as you can see I have got one of my accounts connected. And as soon as you have finished connecting your account, that means you've successfully added a payment method to Coinbase. So that's how you can add a payment method on Coinbase on the PC. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.